Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. So today we will make spinach and moong dal curry. Even those who don't like to eat lentils and spinach will eat this gravy with great interest. So let us start its recipe. Here we are going to make 200 grams of moong dal. So I have already washed and soaked the moong dal. So depending on the quantity of dal, we will put 150 ml of oil in a pressure cooker here. We will let the oil heat on a medium to high flame. Once the oil is well heated, we will add 3 medium-sized finely chopped onions and 1 finely chopped green chili in it. Along with this, we will add half spoon of cumin seeds, 1 small anise flower, small piece of cinnamon, 5 to 6 black peppers and 2 cloves. Mixing all this, we will cook the onion till it becomes soft. So you can see here that onion has become soft. Now we will add here finely chopped a large tomato. We will also let the tomato cook well in oil for 2 to 3 minutes. After the tomato gets cooked and becomes soft, we will add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 medium spoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 medium spoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. We will add half a cup of water to these spices and saute them well. So you can see here that as soon as the spices are cooked, oil has started coming out. So now we will add washed and soaked moong dal to it. Along with this, we will add 100 grams of finely chopped spinach. Now add salt as per taste. And we will mix all this well. Now we will add a big cup of water in it and close the pressure cooker and let it cook on a medium to high flame till it comes to 2 whistles. So here our tasty dal spinach gravy is ready. Serve it with rice or roti. If you try this recipe, I am sure everyone will like this recipe very much. So tell us by commenting how you like this recipe.